space weather and demonstrate long-range communication technologies.
जी हाँ, अभी आपने देखा सिंधु नेत्र तथा SD सेट का सफलतापूर्वक अंतक्षेपण कर दिया गया है। यह उपग्रह भारत सरकार के आत्मनिर्भर भारत मुहिम के अंतर्गत एक और कदम है। इस घटनाक्रम पे अगला अंतक्षेपण नैनो कनेक्ट 2 जो कि USA का उपग्रह है, उसे अब अंतक्षेपित किया जाएगा।
Nano Connect 2 satellite separated.
The confirmation from Range Operations Director about the Nano Connect 2 technology demonstration satellite from USA. Next up is the Space Bees, which is a cluster of 12 satellites mounted on 3U deployer of size 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 30 centimeters. These are technology demonstrator satellites from USA.
अपनी विश्वसनीयता और बहुमुखी संस्करण के कारण PSLV इसरो का वर्क हॉर्स भी कहलाता है, और आज हम यहाँ इसे साक्षात देख सकते हैं। PS4 अपना निर्धारित निष्पादन करता हुआ अग्रसर है। अगला सैटेलाइट स्पेस बीज जो कि 12 उपग्रहों का समूह होगा।
The PSLV C-51 mission has so far placed 4 of its passengers in their intended orbits.
PSB satellites are separated.
अभी आप ऑन बोर्ड कैमरा की मदद से देख पा रहे हैं अपनी स्क्रीन पर स्पेस बी सैटेलाइट सेपरेट होते हुए। ऐसे 12 उपग्रहों का अंतक्षेपण किया जाना है।
One hour 55 minutes into the mission, the
Unity
Space Bees
satellites are separated. Mission accomplished. Handing over to mission director.
all the 12 Space Bee satellites are separated.
Mission Director, PSLV
यूनिटी
C-51 has
सेट का भी
injected Amazonia 1
सफलतापूर्ण
primary satellite
अंतक्षेपण कर
and
दिया
18
गया है।
other
यह मिशन
spacecraft into the
पूर्णतः
desired orbits.
सफलतापूर्ण।
PSLV C-51 Amazonia 1 mission is fully accomplished.
So another successful mission accomplished by the PSLV, the Workhorse rocket of ISRO. This launch successfully placed the first Brazilian satellite through an Indian launch vehicle, 4 other Indian co-passenger satellites, and 14 other foreign satellites too are successfully launched. Hearty congratulations to the customer agencies.
My dear friend, good afternoon to all of you. Today is a very great day for the entire ISRO team. Also, this mission, PSLV C-51, is a special mission for India. First of all, let me congratulate and compliment the team ISRO for achieving the precise injection of Amazonia 1 and 18 other satellites. The credit for such a success must goes to Team ISRO, especially the new MRR chaired by Mr. Somnath, Director VSSC, along with the young team members, they really done a wonderful job and they reviewed and cleared the system. Let me thank and compliment and congratulate the new MRR team members for doing excellent job for achieving this mission. My dear friend, out of these 18 small satellites remaining, apart from the Amazonia satellite, the remaining 18 satellites, small satellite, 13 satellite belongs to our dear customers, and definitely that the remaining 5 also dear customers only. What I am telling is the remaining 5 satellite, one belongs to the DRDO by ARC, DRDO, and one satellite belongs to Space Kids India, that is the Vishnadhan satellite. Then 3 satellite is a UnitySat. It's a unique satellite. It's a 3-in-1 satellite built by 3 university students. This university are JPR Institute of Technology Sri Perumbudur, GH Raisoni College of Engineering Nagpur, Sri Shakti Institute of Engineering and Technology Coimbatore. And first of all, let me compliment and congratulate the team, the Space Kids India, as well as the 3 universities for building the satellite and launching by PSLV. This particular mission is a special because these 3, the 5 satellite, whatever we are talking, it is coming under the new space reform announced by the government of India. And in fact, that these institutes, they have done an excellent job, and ISRO has really promoted, hand-holded, and all along helping them to ensure that the satellites are built correctly, technically correct way, and ensure that this is launched precisely. So definitely, I'm sure that these satellites will be useful for them, and I'm sure that this mission will enthuse many people across the country, either industry or academic institutions, to build their satellite and launch by our missions. I wish that they will do the job very well. Now, my dear friends, coming back, what are the remaining there in our hand? Definitely, our hands are full. We are going to have there's something like that 14 missions in this year, 7 launch vehicle mission, and that 6 satellite mission, as well as our unmanned mission, the first mission by end of this year. That is our target. We are working on that. And as expected, as usual, I am sure that the team ISRO will rise to the occasion and meet all the targets set by the ISRO for meeting the national demands. Let me wish all of my friends from ISRO as well as their family members for doing excellent work for meeting the targets set by the ISRO. At the same time, I would request all of you, still we are not come out of that COVID pandemic, that a new normal instituted by the ISRO centers, definitely that is it is working. I ensure that all this work has to happen with the quality norms at the same time without violating any of the safety and security of my employees. I wish all of you the great days ahead, and thank you once again for an excellent mission what we achieved today, and at the same time let me wish all of you to do the great works in the future. Thank you. Jai Hind.